Quick Write with Ollie! Let's practice writing the uppercase O. Hi there! Welcome to Quick Write with Ollie. I'm Ollie, and I'll be your writing guide. Today you will need a pencil and lined paper. Let's start by getting our page ready to write. On the left side of your page, make 3 quick write dots. One for the top line, one for the middle line, and one for the bottom line. These dots will help us stay neat and keep our writing the right size. All right, writers, let's jump right in and practice writing the uppercase O. Watch me write the first one. I start at the top line. I curve down to the bottom line. I curve back up to the top line. That's an uppercase O. Now let's do 5 together. Ready? Write! Start at the top line. Curve down to the bottom line. Curve back up to the top line. Great effort! Keep your pencil movements nice and slow. Let's keep going. Ready? Write! Start at the top line. Curve down to the bottom line. Curve back up to the top line. I can see you're focusing hard on your pencil control. Let's try another. Ready? Write! Start at the top line. Curve down to the bottom line. Curve back up to the top line. Your lines are getting better. Ready? Write! Start at the top line. Curve down to the bottom line. Curve back up to the top line. Great focus! Last one. Ready? Write! Start at the top line. Curve down to the bottom line. Curve back up to the top line. Strong finish! You did great today! Look at your uppercase O's! Which one shows your best pencil control? Circle the one you're most proud of. Great job today! You did some really careful writing. Remember, you can watch this video as many times as you want to keep getting better. Be sure to like and subscribe to the Hands-On Learning Lab. There, you'll be able to practice writing all your letters and numbers with me. Plus, find lots of other fun interactive videos. See you next time at the Hands-On Learning Lab.